This is city of Alma. All right, this is the bait shop in Alma, Wisconsin. And as you can see, right across over here is Wabasha on the opposite side, Wabasha Kellogg. And this is dam number 4. And this is where you would catch the ferry. It's $25 per person per day. Open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. And you can fish over there if you don't want to do the walk from the Minnesota side. They will pick you up over here and ferry you across to fish over there. This morning seems like there's quite a bit of people over on the Minnesota side, right by the dam there. And so we should see if there's any fish today. See you guys on the other side. Hey, they're after the fidget. Có sự cố chỉnh